In this video we will use Coreldraw to make a cold wash symbol. First we create the left part of the container, then drag it and click the right mouse button. Now we combine the two shapes together. Next we draw a 2-point line and use the shape tool to add nodes by clicking the plus sign. We then use the shape tool to select each second node while holding the shift key. Now nudge using the arrow keys to make a zigzag line. Use the shape tool to select all of the nodes on the line. From the top ribbon we convert them to smooth nodes to make a wavy line. Make a small circle for the symbol. To align this we draw a rectangle in the area the dot occupies and align the dot to the center of the rectangle.